And we back again. Wow, I think I did. This is my fifth video today, but I did want to talk about this because I did just pass my second funded challenge. I just been doing these 25,000 accounts. I passed it a while back and blew it up after I was completely funded and I was about to take a payout. And then like the next day, I somehow just I just had a complete meltdown and just blew it up. I don't know why. I'm weird like that. But anyways, I passed it again. So I'm sitting here waiting for this 25K to go live so I can start trading real money. And then I'm going to start using those funds from the 25K because, you can easily make 50, 100, 200 bucks a day, especially right now with the way, the minis are moving. And what I'm going to do is use the money there. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to, on these 80% sales, that's what's going on right now with Apex. I'm going to start buying these guys right here. So 657 to buy that, but 80% off, 657 minus 525, 132 bucks. You can easily make 132 bucks a month. Now this is going to cost about 80 bucks a month, depending on when you buy it. If you use the 50% code, you're only paying like 70 something bucks a month there, 80 bucks a month there, but you easily make 200 bucks a month with the 25K because you should be doing something like that every day. And so using the profits there to start buying these, and I'll have multiple accounts. So then I'll use this one sort of as my main trader, and then we'll add this one sort of just to be copied, but it'll be trading full ES, full minis, and this will just be trading micros. So, make 100 bucks here. It essentially should work itself out to being $1,000 trading full minis. So that's going to be the plan now. They are 80% off right now using the code in the description, save 80. Please use my link when you sign up. It helps me out a ton. That way, you guys get the benefit of the 80% off. I get the benefit of the little referral fee, which isn't a whole lot, but it's super helpful. And I'll show you guys some strategies on how to beat the challenges in the future. And so stick around for those, and we'll see you next time. Peace.